Hello, welcome to tutorial video how to set up your callback widget on the Dzinga platform. I will present you step by step how to set up and customize your beautiful callback widget. So let's start. First, please log in to your Dzinga account. Then click on the callback on the left side of your screen. After that, you are in a section when you can add your widget. So click on the button Add Widget. Here you can put your website URL. And then click Create. After a few seconds, the system will generate a code. Copy this generated code and then paste to your website. It's really very easy. Remember to save changes. After a few seconds, you can enjoy a beautiful widget blinking on your website. But that's not all. We just put the widget, but right now we need to set up and customize. So we need to go back here and go to Settings. After that, we can fully activate our widget. But first of all, we need to set up the call handling. We need to click here and create a special scenario, special scheme that will redirect all calls to the proper person or the proper group. Right now we need to put the name for our scheme. And select the source, so basically the widget that we just created. After that, please click Create. The scheme is ready but not customized. So we need to find on the list our scenario. Wait a second. And it's ready. Right now we need to define the call handling route just by simple clicking. And again, please click on plus, and here in the section item you can select user, group, number or voicemail. So basically this is the position that you need to select in order to select the proper person that will handle the calls that will be received through the widget. I just selected Linda, our colleague from the office, and after that I need to click Add. Congratulations! Seems that your widget right now is fully functional. Please always remember to click Save button in order to implement all changes that you just made. Right now our widget will redirect all calls or queries to our colleague Linda Zdanowska. As you could see, it's really very easy to handle and to select the proper person. We can also easily change the person just by clicking here and selecting another one. Please remember always to click Save button after all changes that you just implement. Your widget is fully functional, but is it beautiful enough? Let's check it. Let's go to the callback section again. Let's select our widget. And right now we are in a section that we can decide about the design, the color and the functionality of our widget. Right now we are in the first tab, Basic Settings. Here you can decide about the working hours of your office and when exactly your widget will be displayed on the screen on your website. You can change the time zone for the widget, depends on where you conduct your business. It's also important to set up the working hours exactly as your business performs. You can use these existing popular scenarios or define by yourself. For example, that widget will be visible only on Monday and Saturday and Sunday, and also please define the hours. So it's custom made and very easy to handle. You can also add, for example, a lunchtime. After all changes, please always remember to click on Apply button. Simple as it is. Let's go to the next section. It's very interesting section where you can define about the design of your widget. First of all, let's think where you can put your widget on your website. It can be displayed on the top left, top right, or just in the center. You can decide about the color of the text. You can select the color of the icon. And basically, the only imagination is your limit. Background. Even the color of the inner circle. So it's really great fun, but also this allows you to design the widget, shape, color, to be in line with your brand guidelines and the design of your website. Moreover, you can also, in the section General Settings, define when the widget will be visible. You can decide what kind of icon you want to see inside the widget. Please notice that all changes are implemented immediately, so you can very promptly see all implementations that you just made. Inside the widget, you can also put your own text. You see? Very easy. Click Apply button. Next section, Design. This one is for the extended version of the widget. In such form, you can put much more text, much more information than in the previous one. And again, you can decide about the color of the text, you can decide about the background, you can decide text on the button, etc. And again, you can personalize the message. After all changes you just made, please click Apply button. As easy as it is. The text labels. I mentioned that it's fully personalized widget. So basically it means that you can define the text, the messages that will be displayed inside your button. And again, it's very easy to combine all information and put the message in the right place, basically exactly what you want. After implementation, Apply button. Last but not least, algorithms. This is a very important part of the customization of the widget, because basically in this section we can decide about displaying the widget depends on the situation. So for example, the visitor, after entering our website, wants to run away. So we can customize a special message when this person are going to leave. Basically, the algorithm, the system recognizes this situation and it can display a special message. Or on the opposite side, where the system recognizes that the person stays on the website for a long time, we can also offer something special. So, for example, a special rebate or special offer for this specific person. So basically, it's a great opportunity for you to close the business and achieve better business results. After all implementations, click always Apply button. Congratulations! Seems that your widget is fully functional and designed on your own way. Thank you for watching. Bye.